Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the beastest thing that I've ever done in Modern Warfare 3. So, I was playing and I had this crazy idea and I found the throwing knife and I saw a bunch of C4s on the floor. Oh, that's just a lucky kill I got. Alright, watch. I go around and look what I do. Throw the C4. Oh no, that's not the one. Oh yeah, throw it. C4. Bam, bam, bam. Look at that. Alright. Let's record that. Ready? Boom. Ready? Boom. Ready? Wanna watch that again? I bet it's beast. You like that, don't you? Ready? I fall. I thought I'd do all the way, but then I see it. Yeah. You wanna watch that over and over again. You know you like that. And because of that, it's because we're in an infected game. Look at that. Boom. Even though I killed myself, it was still worth it. Because look at that. Look at how much XP I get. 5,600. Okay, look at that. 5,600 XP for a double kill with a throwing knife C4. So look at that. Ready? Alright, like, subscribe, do everything you ever wanted to do. Enjoy life, have fun.